Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to change suggested reels on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and see your Instagram app and double check if your Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. That applies to all the apps on your phone. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, go ahead to your browser. If you want to change the suggested reels on Instagram, open your Instagram and go to your home page, click on suggested reels that you wish to remove, and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on not interested in the menu that pops up. Scroll down and tap on privacy. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to any reels on your Instagram, and basically you're gonna be able to click not interested, and then go ahead to your profile right here and just go ahead. Let me demonstrate on how it's done. Basically click on your profile right here, click on the three dots at the top right, and I'm gonna I'm gonna try to find the content preference. Okay, and basically I'm gonna just go ahead right here to not interested, and I'm gonna just suggest the uninterested or the all content that from accounts that you do not follow, and you're gonna be able to see right here the not interested fields and the interested fields right here. If you want to see it, let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.